So Huawei has just recently announced about the Nova phone, the Nova 8. Now Nova 8 has some amazing features. I would like to note is first of all the screen. It does come with OLED panel and 90 Hz screen refresh rate, which is amazing, sweet spot for the mid-range phone. Now another thing I would like to note is the selfie cam, 32 MP, and main camera. It does have a quad camera setup, but the main focus is 64 MP main camera, which is huge. Now the battery size is 3800 mAh battery, which is small, but it does come with fast charging capabilities up to 66 watts, which is impressive there. And it comes in 4 colors. The favorite color for me is the black one. And finally, it does come with Kirin 985 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, and pricing is $500 for 128 GB and $550 for 256 GB. Well, that's it for tech updates, and subscribe for this channel for more tech updates, more features, more reviews. Link in the description for the amazing reviews. Go check it out, and see you guys in the next video.